Today I want to show you guys another item I purchased off of Shein. This is a Game Boy Emulator, and it actually comes with 500 classic Game Boy games. The screen is quite a little bit smaller than the traditional Game Boy. It does come with a battery, but it is a rechargeable battery, and it charges with a micro USB cable. Now, in case the description doesn't show all the 500 games, I'll see if I can put in the description all the 500 games, but if they don't actually have it on the description of the website, then I will scroll through here so you can see all the games that are there. But if you're not interested in scrolling through all of that, I will put a little timestamp up here for you guys so you can just skip to the demo of me showing you playing some of these classic games. So let's turn it on. So you can choose between English and Chinese. You've got your volume button up here. And we're just gonna pick a game here. Actually, I'll scroll through all of these for you guys first so you can see them. Jesus, that's a lot. Obviously that was a lot, and that's why I put the timestamp there for you guys. But yeah, it really sucks that you can't search for a game or even a number if you remember what number your favorite game is. So if you're somewhere in the 300s, you're going to be scrolling for quite some time to get to your favorite game. But I do want to show you guys real quickly here just what the gameplay looks like. I'm just going to hit start here. You can see it's definitely the Super Mario 3 that we're used to. Why does it not have sound now? There we go. I also never claimed to be good at this, so don't judge me. Ah! So anyways, that gives you an idea of what that looks like. Now, unfortunately, first of all, there's a reset button here, so you can reset it right to the start. There is no way to save your progress. I can't remember, it's been a while since I had a Game Boy, but there is no way to save your progress. So you're just kind of playing these games for nostalgia or speed running through because you're not going to be able to save what you're doing. But still fun if you're looking to get back into some of the old games you played as a kid for a super low price and have 500 of them at your fingertips, then this is something that you'll definitely want to check out on Shein. I'll have a link in the description if you're looking to purchase today. Next up, you should check out one of the 2 videos on your screen right now. It's going to change your life. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.